To draw a wooden coat hanger real easy, you're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to draw an isosceles triangle, which is sort of at an angle, shallow angle like that. And then we're going to want to draw the base of the triangle. So then, if you take that about halfway, maybe just go a little bit up there. And then you're going to want the same kind of height above it. And again, the same height above it. And there you're going to want to have a circle. And there is the plan for your drawing, basically. So we're going to draw a kind of a shoulder like that. So that wants to be nice and circular. And then this wants to come vertically up and kind of around like that. So I'm going to start about here, and I'm going to come around this curve. And then this will get slightly narrower and narrower and narrower down to this point here, and then that wants to come sort of straight down to that point. And a similar thing on this side, so it's coming around there, sort of going narrower and narrower and narrower. It's a bit difficult on this side, like that. And then we want to draw this line straight up to that point there, and this line straight down to that point there. And then we're going to have that's where the two halves of the wood are glued together. And then we want just slightly above that line so that it's just not at the corner. We're going to have the dowel rod that goes across for hanging your trousers on, or whatever you're going to hang on there. You're going to have a little bit of the metal sticking out, which is like a little ball at the end of the metal wire, so that it doesn't sort of go through. And then we want to come up, and I think I maybe want to have made that circle a little bit bigger. So it's like a question mark, and then we want a little kind of ball on the end. And they kind of put that ball on the end so it's not sharp and pointy, so you don't hurt yourself. And then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines, and no one will know how you worked it out so accurately. And then you might want to put some, if you press very gently, and we'll put some kind of wood effect lines in like that, and then maybe back on itself like that. And then here going the other direction with a little kind of little hiccup like that. Another hiccup coming down there like that. And then this will be a little bit kind of wooden as well, so you can put some little wood lines in there as well. If you'd like to draw a wire coat hanger, then just click up here. And then all you need to do is to colour it in a wood kind of colour, whichever shade you like. And then you want a metal kind of colour for the metal hook at the top. And there you go, how to draw a wooden coat hanger. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. And do ring the bell when you do for notifications of all the videos that I make, which are every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.